What'd you get?
Pig.
Oh,
Hippo.
Whoa. Oh.
It's like a tea set.
Whoa. What is this?
Tea set.
Oh, it is. Pet Shop. I love Pet Shop.
They're pet shop.
I wanted Pet Shop forever.
Julie,
I guess we're
they're
still
also
collecting
princess
them.
pet shops.
Look at this.
Ooh.
You know, like you know,
what do you
like
say
Cinderella
to
and
Aunt
Belle?
Lisa, Julian?
Thank you.
This is it.
And to Uncle Brennan and
Thank you.
Rachel,
Thank you.
Tommy,
Thank you.
and Damien.
Thank you, Damien. You're the cutest thing.
And Rocco and Daisy.
Oh yeah, that's right. Let's see your earrings. Here, turn this way. Oh, oops. Gorgeous. Okay, say bye.
Bye.